Okay, we have on the board the integral of 3x squared minus 8x dx over a really long polynomial that I don't want to mess with. So let's get started with this. I did a video similar to this not too long ago, and what we did was we factored the denominator. I want to skip that here and try for an easier way. So what I'm going to do is I really want my numerator to be du so that we can do some kind of easy integral. And what I'm assuming is that this denominator is going to factor nicely into like a square or a cube or something. So let's start with our du. This is doing it backwards, right? Because we usually start with our u, but here we're going to guess that this is going to be our du. And then to find u, we're just going to integrate this thing, power rule. So this is going to be 3x cubed over 3. 3's are going to cancel, minus 8x squared over 2 plus c. And so this is just going to be x cubed minus 4x squared plus c. Now in a perfect world, if this was really easy, we'd like that to be our denominator, right? Then we would just have like ln of this thing. So we just noticed that if we square u, our highest degree term is going to be x to the 6th, and the coefficient's 1, so that's going to work. Also, just kind of looking at the coefficients, it looks like it can be a square. So we could actually square out our u squared and see what we get. But what I want to do first is, if this is squared, if we're looking for u squared, c can only really be one thing. This really has to be 3 in order to get a 9 there, right? So let's take our guess that this is gonna be 3, because it kind of has to be. Basically, if this denominator isn't u squared and this isn't 3, then we have something much harder on our hands. So I think we want to try this. Okay, and what I've done is I skipped all the steps. I just squared our u, and we get the exact same thing as our denominator. You can verify that, but I just don't want to take the time distributing that. So what we can do is make our substitution, and the whole integral is just going to be du over u squared. But we'll just write this as u to the negative 2 du. Using the power rule, we get minus 1 over u. And then we can just back substitute here. And so for our final answer, we're going to have minus 1 over x cubed minus 4x squared plus 3 plus c, and we're done. Thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day.